video, we'll be seeing how to install this Raspberry Pi Active Cooler. The Raspberry Active Pi Cooler is a dedicated clip-on cooling system. It's a solution for Raspberry Pi 5. It combines an aluminum heatsink with a temperature controlled blower fan. You can see here temperature controlled blower fan to keep your Raspberry Pi at a comfortable operating temperature even under heavy loads. Like even if it is running a lot of processes and application, it can keep the Raspberry Pi at a very safe temperature. It has got single piece aluminum heatsink. Then it's got the mounting screws here. It's got the clip-on screws, mounting screws to mount on the Raspberry Pi PCB. It's got spring-loaded pins for mounting on Raspberry Pi, and it's got pre-applied thermal pads for heat transfer. You can see it here. You can see this is a Broadcom quad-core 64-bit SoC, and this is the 2.45 gigahertz wireless and Bluetooth chip, and this is the DDR4 LPDDR4 SD RAM over here, and these are the other peripherals. Basically, this will provide cooling for these three chips. This fan will provide, active cooler will provide cooling for these three chips. See, it will sit here like this. So I am removing the sticker here and peeled it off. So I'm just going to place it like this so that it's aligned like this. Yes, it's aligned. See, it's perfectly aligned, and the cooler is placed properly, the active cooler. You can see this springs and buttons come on the other side of the PCB. So once this is placed, you have to connect this connector. This is a power terminal. So it is basically in one direction. So now it is connected. The power supply to the active cooler is connected. So now I am powering with the type C connector. You can see the fan is spinning. This is the way to connect the RPI 5 active cooler. And you have seen in this video, so we have seen how the clip-on connector is connected to the Raspberry Pi 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and keep updated. I'll keep you updated on the latest videos on Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.